We are pleased to show you the 2016 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, running boards, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.